finally time to go to Osogbo. We're heading. The cars are here, you guys, and we are leaving. Yeah, what is up, guys? This is my second day in Ibadan, and today is the day we leave for Osogbo. I've done this intro like 20 times, okay, but the lighting just keeps getting really bad, so I had to redo it. That's why I'm doing it again, okay? But if you're new, please subscribe, okay? I'm on a work trip, and it's around like a 6 days work trip, so it's gonna be a long vlog, or maybe I'll split it into two, I don't know, but keep watching. And yeah, we're heading out now to Osogbo. This is my outfit of the day, the stockings, because I was getting really cold initially. So can you guys hear me? I hope you guys can really hear me, seriously. But yeah, that's our car. I think the next stop is going to be the car wash, because the car is dirty and we'll have to wash the two of them. So but yeah, come with me, let's tour Yoruba land together. So we had to stop at food court to buy some supplies that we'll need for our trip, groceries, all of that, you know, house care. And you guys, I forgot my nightwear. My boss had to buy a new nightwear for me, which is really cool. God bless her. So yeah, we are going.
Yesterday, I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before.
So we just arrived at the hotel. God, the sunlight here, it's giving. The weather is not hot, but it's giving. But yeah, we've arrived at the hotel. It's the Laim Hotel. Laim, I hope I pronounced that correctly. So we're about to check in. It's such a beautiful structure. I showed you guys when I came in. So yeah, it's a beautiful structure. We're about to check in, and yeah, we'll probably do a small tour. Okay, yeah. is up? So we're in the room now. I'm in my room. I'm gonna do a tour because this room is the shit. It is the shit now. This room is insanely cute, okay? And I'm gonna show you the view I have here, but I'll do a tour quickly. Let's do that because I'm in my room. You guys can get the view of, so that's what it looks like when you close it and all that. And I'm like, who does that? Okay, they did a good job there. It has closet spaces everywhere. The fridge is here, right? The fridge is there. And then even in this wardrobe, there's like a closet space. There are drawers everywhere. That's my ring light bag. I've arranged my clothes. I don't know what the laundry service here is like. I've arranged my shoes. I came with just sneakers. That's my makeup and jewelry. There's the bed there. Cute stuff, right? Work area. So this is an overview of the space. It is stunning, y'all. There is the bed area, which I love, right? And then there is this. So this is an overview of the room. So when you turn on the TV, it brings out this. You can actually view your bill. All right, hey guys. So I'm just lying down here and trying to watch TV. Even though, of course, you guys know hotels choose the worst channels when it comes to TVs. But yeah. So I'm gonna be. Let me show you the view through my window. Okay, it's a really lovely view though. Let me show you the view. Guys, look at the view from my window. I can even see the pool, but I don't want to open up the window. That's the bar area. People are there having a drink and all of that, but look at that view. It's insane. I love it. I love the whole greenery. It's lovely. Stunning. Hi guys, so I think there's a new episode of Manifests, and if you guys have seen Manifests, you know, I've actually watched all of season 2, so I think there's season 3, and now I'm going to catch up with season 3 of Manifests. Look at that. How wonderful is that? Wow.
Previously on Manifest.
Terribly sorry, folks. That was not on the radar.
We've all been missing, presumed dead for 5.5 years.
Hey guys, what is up? So it's evening right now. I've changed into my new pajamas or lounge set, whatever you want to call this, and I think this is really lovely. I got this in a size large. The store girl wanted me to take a medium, but something in me just felt a large would be better. So yeah, I mean, loungewear are not supposed to be too tight. So, but yeah, it has this inscription saying "Girls are strong." Yeah. All right, I'm starving, you guys. We've not had anything to eat since morning, so I'm just trying to catch up on Netflix. Catch up with Manifest season 3 is out on Netflix. Okay, so tomorrow is gonna be a very long day, like a very long day, because I have a lot of tomorrow is an entire content shoot day. Tomorrow is the reason why we're even here in the first place. So we're going to do a lot of content shoots, tomorrow, and then the day after tomorrow, another set of activities on Monday and Tuesday and all of that till we get back to Abuja. So yeah, I take you guys along with me, okay? So yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. Hey guys, what is up? So I'm trying to catch up on Manifest. If you've not seen that movie on Netflix, you should see it. It's very interesting. So I'm trying to catch up on Manifest on Netflix. Season 3 is out. Yeah. I'm supposed to order for food, but I've not. And then I need to order for laundry, for my clothes and everything. Yeah, so I'll just do a little Netflix. I've turned off the AC, but you guys, I'm so cold. This room is still so cold. Oh my god, I'm freezing. But all the same, by the way. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the new set of skincare that I have. So I'm gonna do a quick skincare haul. I got some new products as birthday gifts. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Stay with me. So I'm gonna start with the shower gel. This is my Dove Caring Bath in Shea Butter and Warm Vanilla. I love it. It leathers so well. I had to buy these, because I needed a shower gel. And then for my body lotion, I did the Dove Again Body Love in Intense Care. This is a body lotion. This is for very dry skin. I had to take this one because, you guys, I have dry skin on my body, but oily combination on my face. So I had to take this. So far, and then I have the Bodycology Toasted Sugar Fragrance Mist. This is in vanilla, brown sugar, and amber. The next thing I have is this Beat Gold Secrets Sweet Love. It also has the vanilla thing going on here, and it pairs really well, right, with the body mist rather. So this is more like a mini perfume type thing. Fresh Feminine Wash. I had to try this, and it's perfect. I love it. Look at that, guys. The Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream from Corks. I've wanted this my whole life. So imagine when this was all in my birthday package. Love it. Sunscreen, baby. This is Korean Skincare Aqua Sunscreen from Misha 50, SPF 50. It's beautiful. The sheen from this, the glow from this, the moisture 100. And then I have my vitamin C from Balance Active Formula. It's a brightening serum. It works so well, and it's just amazing. So that's it for the haul. So guys, they just brought my food. Like, I ordered this food like 2 hours ago, and they just brought it. And this was not what I initially wanted to order. What I wanted to order, they told me, was going to take up to 45 minutes, and this would take 35. And I was like, okay, fine. Now this took almost 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours, because I ordered this food by 7. I ordered this food by 7 p.m. and now, you guys, it's 9 p.m. And this is a meal that if I were to cook this at home, I'll cook it in 45 minutes, no cap. 45 minutes. And for this quantity, come on now, make it make sense. I was tired of eating rice, so I had to order swallow. And now this is going to be late night food. God have mercy on me. And it better be nice. Lemon juice, sprinkle some salt, sprinkle some paprika, and then some sunflower oil, and that was it. Hi guys, so I just had my shower and done my skincare, and yo, you guys, look at this product. Look at how plump and moisturized my face feels. Like, it absorbs fast enough for bedtime, but I'm not gonna lie down with my face just yet. I'm going to just, take it all in for a while before I go to bed. So I'm sounding crazy. I gotta go, guys. Tomorrow is a very busy ass day, so ciao.